Welcome to DriverCentral. On behalf of the entire DriverCentral team, I would like to welcome you to our marketplace and provide you with a brief introduction of the DriverCentral platform features. If you have ever purchased any third-party drivers in the past, or have used any other online marketplace, you should be very comfortable with the purchase process of our drivers as it follows the standard steps. Login, locate the desired product, add item to cart, select payment method and discount codes, and complete your purchase. Where our platform differs most is the licensing process that strives to provide simple license activation and management methods. In the next few moments, we will cover the following. Features of the project's portal that make your daily license management a breeze. The project token that is used to bind your licenses to the drivers installed in your project. The Cloud Driver, which is DriverCentral's free licensing software for Control 4 systems. It utilizes the project token to check in with the project's portal to activate project licenses as well as push updates and install drivers. We will also walk you through the steps of driver software download and installation, so that your first time with us is a simple and easy process. Lastly, we will quickly cover additional features of the project's portal. Let's get started. In order to access the project's portal, you'll first need to use the credentials you registered with to log into your account. Once logged in, locate the portal link on top of the page to access the project's portal. Here, you will find all of your previously created projects. On top of the page, you will find a quick summary of all of the projects in your portal. This includes how many controllers are online or offline, how many projects were created but unassigned, and if there are any updates available for drivers found in your projects. Using the search bar, you will be able to quickly and conveniently find your projects. In order to create a new project, click on the New Project button located in the top right of the portal. Once selected, enter the project name and click Add Project. This will add the project to the portal. Now click on the project. You will notice that since this is a new project, most of the information will be left blank. We will use the project token listed here in order to connect to your controller. For now, you may copy the project token for later use. To exit the project, click the Close button or click outside of the project window. Next, we will need to download the Cloud Driver software if not already installed on your machine. Once the download is finished, unzip the file and add it to your drivers folder. In Composer, use the search bar in order to locate the Cloud Driver and install it to your project. Once installed, paste the project token from the project's portal in order to link your controller with the portal. If successful, the project will state check-in success. Now go back to the project's portal and select your project. You will now see the MAC address, the IP address, and last seen fields populated with appropriate information. The connection status will also update from offline to online. From here, you can use the action buttons to make further changes to the project. From right to left, the buttons will allow you to delete project, unlink project from the current controller, change settings of the project, and add licenses. Click on Add License to access your purchased licenses. Using the action button Add License to Project, select the desired license to be added. In this case, I will be adding the Power Agent. Once all desired licenses are added, you may close the window. Added licenses will now show up in the project with the state not found in project, as we have not yet installed the driver. If the incorrect license was added and you wish to remove the license from your project, you may use the action button Unlink License and the license will be added back to your available licenses. To quickly download the driver software, click on the name of the driver. You will be brought to the driver page where you may download the driver under the Download tab. Once downloaded, unzip the file and add it to your drivers folder. In Composer, use the search bar in order to locate the downloaded driver and install it to your project. The cloud driver will check if the installed driver has a license associated with it in the project's portal, and if confirmed, will license the driver. You are now ready to finish the setup of the driver by following the documentation provided in each driver. If you run into any trouble during the installation or have any additional questions, please visit help.drivercentral.io and start a chat or submit a help desk ticket. Our driver ninja will assist you as soon as possible. DriverCentral's projects portal and drivers come with additional features that allow you to easily manage your current project and licenses, or allow you to try out new drivers to make sure they fit your specifications. The projects portal comes with two types of settings: global settings and project settings. In the global settings, you'll be able to input your email or push over information to receive information about the status of projects and licenses. To turn on or off the messages, you will need to select your project and click on the gear icon. From here, you will be able to select if you would like to be notified if a trial expires on the driver or if the project has failed to check in. These are turned on by default. All DriverCentral drivers come with a free trial. The length of the trial is determined by the developer who created the driver. In order to activate the trial, all you will need to do is install the desired driver alongside the cloud driver and assign it to a project that does not have the corresponding license associated with it. As long as you have not trialed the driver on the controller in your project, the trial will activate automatically. If your trial is expired and you did not have a chance to fully test the driver, contact the driver ninja to reset the trial. DriverCentral offers the showroom project to dealers who would like to showcase our drivers in their showroom or would like to test the drivers for a prolonged period of time. In order to receive access to the showroom project, certain stipulations need to be met. These stipulations are summarized on our help desk under the showroom project article. Our developers periodically update their drivers in order to fix bugs or add features not found on previous versions. There are numerous ways to make sure that your drivers are up to date. You may choose to have your drivers automatically update by either setting the auto update feature to on in Composer and in each driver installed, or by using the cloud driver to set the auto update to on in every DriverCentral driver in your project. You may also choose to manually update your drivers through the project's portal. Using the updates available section, you may update a driver in all projects at once, or you may go into each project to select which driver to update. If you are unable to locate a desired driver or would like to have a feature added to an existing driver, you may submit your request to our developers. To submit a driver request, go to our homepage, locate the driver's link, select driver request, and fill out the driver request form. If a developer is willing to add a feature or create a new driver, they will contact you directly. Thank you again for registering with our marketplace. DriverCentral, remix the marketplace.